Hey everybody, today we are going to be talking about sight reading in G major with skips and steps, and we are also going to be working on syncopation. So let's start by singing a scale. Do is here, ready and go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, mi, so, mi, do, ti, do, so, la, ti, do. So I need you to first notice that this is in 3/4. And let's go ahead and do this for rhythm first. 1, 2, ready and go. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, let's speak our solfege with our hand signs. 1, 2, ready and go. Do, 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 re, mi, do, do, re, do, ti, la, ti, do, 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 mi, so, mi, re, do. So we got to get ready for those skips. Let's go ahead and sing the arpeggio. Do, ready and go. Do, mi, so, mi, do, ti, do, so, la, ti, do. Let's give it a shot. Nice and slow. Do, 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 re, mi, do, re, do, ti, la, ti, do, mi, so, mi, re, do. Nice. Let's do that again. 1, 2, ready and go. Do, 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 re, mi, do, re, do, ti, la, ti, do, mi, so, mi, re, do. Nice job. Let's look at the next one. Number 154 starts on mi. And if we look ahead, we see some jumps. This do to so is going to be interesting, and so is this mi to do for that matter. Let's go ahead and do this for rhythm first. 1, 2, ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 1. Good. Now let's speak our solfege. 1, 2, ready and go. Mi, re, do, re, mi, do, so, do, re, mi, off. Do, mi, starting note is mi, sing mi, 1, 2, ready and go. Mi, re, do, re, mi, do, so, do, re, mi. Good. Let's do that again. 1, 2, mi is here. Mi, re, do, re, mi, do, so, do, re, mi. Nice job, guys. Let's move on to our next slide. We are going to talk about syncopation. Syncopation is a fancy word that is describing a situation where we're giving extra emphasis to something that is off of the beat. So, and you can read, obviously, it says a musical term that is used to describe the situation when notes which usually don't receive extra emphasis are emphasized. Sometimes the extra emphasis is indicated with an accent symbol, which is like a miniature decrescendo. And sometimes the extra emphasis occurs naturally with the placement of the notes that are not on the beat. So here's some examples. We usually put our emphasis on beat 1, 1, 2, 3, but in this situation, it tells us to do this. 1, 2, 4. Try that with me. Ready, go. 1, 2, 4. So that's when we're putting the emphasis on beat 2. Let's add up the next example. Let's read that one together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3. Try that again. Ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3. So oftentimes when you're dealing with syncopation, you're going to see a tie because it's going to bring things across a measure. Let's try the next slide. So we're going to read some rhythm together. So I don't know if my little face is in your way or not. I'm going to move that up. Okay, let's give this a shot. 1, 2, ready, and go. 1 and 3, 4. 3 and 1. 3, 1. 4 and 1. 3 and 4. 1 and 3. 1 and 2. 1 and 4, 1, 4, 1 and 2, 3. That was hard. Let's go to the first really tricky measure, and it's this measure here, the second line, last measure. And the reason it's hard is because we actually say something on the offbeat, because we start with an eighth note. Starting with an eighth note makes things more difficult. So I'm going to do it really slow. We have 1 and 3. So you have the first half of beat 1, and then this quarter note gets the second half of beat 1 and the first half of beat 2, and then your and. So you have 1 and 3. Try that. Ready, and go. 1 and 3. The next tricky measure was down here on the third line, the second measure. And the reason it's tricky is because we're holding the second half of beat 1 all the way to beat 4. So you have 1 and 4. Listen again. 1 and 4. Now watch my hands. Here we go. 1 and 4. I wanted you to see that beat 2 and beat 3 are still happening there. Let's try this whole exercise one more time. 1, 2, ready, and go. 1 and 3, 4. 3 and 1. 3, 1. 4 and 1. 3 and 4. 1 and 3. 1 and 2. 1 and 4, 1, 4, 1 and 2, 3. Nice job, guys. All right. I believe this is our last slide for today. We're going to do some sight reading, this time in F major. Do, we'll just leave that here. This one is pretty simple, except for right here, we have a do, mi, so. Do, mi, so, mi. So we're going to go for it. And we're going to put it all together. I want you to sing this as one exercise. Do, ready, set, and go. Do, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. So, fa, mi, re, do. Do, mi, so, mi. Fa, mi, re, do, ti, do. Do that one more time with me. 1, 2, ready, and go. Do, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. So, fa, mi, re, do. Do, mi, so, mi. Fa, mi, re, do, ti, do. Nice job today, guys. I hope that you are staying safe. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys some office hours this week. Instead of doing the Zooms, I just recorded the lesson. So just double check when those office hours are. If any of this is difficult, I have no problem at all meeting you on Zoom and working one-on-one. We will get it all figured out. So please don't hesitate to ask. You guys all know how to reach me. Have a wonderful day.